respondent
What is the MC?
on the grounds of adultery, my lord, divorce, please.
Filed by whom?
By the father, by the husband in this case, that is the petitioner.
No, he's even the paternity of the boy is in question.
Is in question, and there is a DNA report to that effect confirming that he is
Let's
not
read
the
it.
father.
Let's-
So in
The
fact,
respondent is ready to subject herself to DNA test.
please, my lord.
That's a wife.
Please, my lord.
Hmm.
Witness by name Dr. Dash, Director CFSL New Delhi, has sent a letter to this court requesting arrangement through virtual mode to record his evidence. Respondent filed IA under Section 24 of Hindu Marriage Act and objection to the DNA report.
It is a request made by him.
Please,
Where the court has rejected it?
please.
But how can you seek a positive order from this court?
In the alternative, my lord, what I would seek is an early completion of the trial, which is my fundamental right. Because within 3 months, for the last 9 years, my lord, this divorce proceedings are pending. My lord, the issue in this case, my lord, is whether the DNA report, which was given on the basis of a consent between both the parties, could be marked as an evidence through video conferencing. My lords may kindly take page 44 of the petition, my lord.
40?
44 of the petition, my lord. In this case, my lord,
Yes.
43, if I may apologize. Both the counsels are present. Counsel for respondent filed memo stating
For the wife or husband?
for the father, my lord, for the
For the-
husband in this case,
Hmm.
stating he has no objection to allow the I number 5 and
Sir,
respondent
what is the MC?
on the grounds of adultery, my lord, divorce, please.
Filed by whom?
By the father, by the husband in this case, that is the petitioner.
Hmm.
There, my lord, the
No,
petitioner
he's even the paternity of the boy is in question.
is in question, and there is a DNA report to that effect confirming that he is
Let's
not
read
the
it.
father.
Let's
Please,
read
my lord. Here, my lord, IA number 5 and respondent is ready to subject herself to DNA test at the cost of the petitioner. Both the petitioner and the respondent undergo the DNA test. The DNA test report is in
The
fact,
respondent is ready to subject herself to DNA test.
please, my lord,
That's a wife.
please, my lord.
Hmm.
Pursuant to which the wife and the petitioner, that is the husband, subject themselves to DNA test at Hyderabad.
Hmm.
The DNA test report, in fact, is handed over by the concerned officials there to the wife in order to produce it to the court. It is brought before the courts. For the purpose of adducing it as an evidence, an application is filed. The application is allowed and it was due to be marked as evidence. In the course of which, my lord, the Honorable Family Court issued summons to the director of CFSL Hyderabad to come on record and adduce his evidence because he was the signatory to the report. He just makes one application, my lord. He writes a letter to the concerned court.
Where is that?
That letter, my lord, we do not have access to it, but it is on record, page number 72.
Hmm.
Petitioner and respondent and their counsels are present. Page 72, my lords. The lower portion,
Stage of arguments on me.
the lower portion, my lord.
Family court, so and so, for recall of PW1.
Page number 72, my lord.
No, it's filed by the defendant, by the respondent, by IA.
No, we had filed it. The husband had filed the application, my lord, to adduce it as evidence.
Hmm.
Page 72, my lords, the lower portion, if I may read it, my lord. Witness by name Dr.
Start from 68.
68, please, my lord. 68 is, my lord, IA is filed at the stage of arguments in the main petition. IA number 7 is
Where is the
filed,
present order?
please, my lord.
Where is the present order?
This, my lord, page number 74 is the concerned,
74.
72, I apologize.
Read from there.
Lower portion, my lord. Petitioner and respondent and their counsels are present. Witness by name Dr. Dash, Director CFSL New Delhi, has sent a letter to this court requesting arrangement through virtual mode to record his evidence. This,
Hmm.
my lord, is what we seek enforcement
Hmm.
through this writ petition.
Hmm.
Thereafter, my lord, it is contended by the wife that no, he has to come down in
I
person.
think you can read it further
Please, my
also.
lord. Both parties and their counsels are present. Shri M.K. Advocate praised for taking steps as per the letter written by one of the witnesses by name Dash New Delhi. Shri N.K.K. respondent praised for physical recording of the evidence of this witness. Shri N.K.K. for respondent praised for filing application in this regard. Next state, my lord, petitioner is absent, respondent absent. But respondent filed IA under Section 24 of Hindu Marriage Act and objection to the DNA report, not to the application, to the DNA report. Petitioner filed memo, objection to and memo, and for steps by 1312. Next, my lords may kindly come to page 76. Case is advanced. petitioner is present, respondent and her counsel absent. Counsel for petitioner filed memo with copies of advancement IA, postal receipt and courier receipts. Shri MK for petitioner submits the date of advancement intimated to the counsel for respondent by post and also by WhatsApp message. Respondent called out, absent. Petitioner filed objection to IA number 9 filed under section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act for appearance of respondent and for steps and to hear on IA number 9 and on memo by 26/3/2024. Thereafter, my lord, it is proceeding on the same basis. Steps are continued to be taken in order to request.
Where is, no, it is a request made by him.
Please.
Where the court has rejected it?
The court has not rejected it, my lord.
Then-
The court has not at all rejected it. For the last 9 months, my lord, it is going on for the purpose
No,
of taking
why
steps.
For this court?
Seeking, my lord, directions that the evidence could be taken through video conferencing.
No, unless and until there is an order, why should there be a direction?
My lord, because this honorable court, while framing guidelines for
That is
video
a different
conferencing.
aspect.
Please.
That the case would arise when the court rejects saying that it cannot be done, you should do it physically. Where is that occasion and where is that situation has come now?
Ma'am, for the last 6 months, my lord, the PO was
Then you have
absent.
another option.
Please,
In
please,
that case,
please.
directing the court to do it.
Please.
But how can you re-seek a positive order from this court?
In the
Without having
alternative-
An impugned order.
In the alternative, my lord, what I would seek is an early completion of the trial, which is my fundamental right. Because within 3 months, for the last 9 years, my lord, this divorce proceedings are pending.
You can
Now-
come to the court with some specific relief.
That
No,
is
had it been that this is of a MC of 2019.
2017, my lord.
Now, if it is 2017, on the first occasion itself, this could have been disposed of.
Please, my lord, that was my prayer. On the first date of
Oh,
hearing,
we were asking for this relief.
my lord, I had requested that the early disposal could be the main relief. I had, in fact, on the first date of hearing, my lord, I had made this submission.
The petitioner,
My lord, only one aspect I want to bring to this honorable court's notice is the conduct of the respondent. Despite, my lord, having protective order,
19, not 17.
2017, my lord, it was filed before this honorable court in Bangalore. Thereafter, this honorable court directed for the proceedings to be transferred to Davangere, which is where the current proceedings are pending. From there on, my lord, even as on today, the stages of evidence.
What is filing before this court?
She had filed a civil petition seeking transfer of the proceedings to her jurisdiction.
MC is filed in Bangalore.
Please, it was at the first instance filed in Bangalore. Thereafter, it was transferred to Davangere.
The present petition is filed, seeking a mandamus to dispose of the trial as expeditiously as possible. As originally this MC is filed in the year 2017, and thereafter it is renumbered as MC number 306 of 2019. Then counsel for the petitioner submits that on one pretext or the other, the respondent is protracting the proceedings. And considering that this is a MC of 2017, the same has to be, that there shall be a direction to the court below to dispose of the MC as expeditiously as possible. Without going into any of the allegations with regard to the wife protracting the proceedings and all, considering the fact that this is an old case pending, and as this court is passing orders for all the MCs which are of till 2019 for expeditious disposal, this court deems it appropriate to dispose of this petition, directing the trial court to dispose of the MC as expeditiously as possible, but not later than 6 months. Next, before this, notice is served on the respondents, and there is no appearance on behalf of both the parties. Yes.